I missed that too. That was so cute. What, AJ?
Go the other way. Like that.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball.
Can we go too fast?
If you don't want to go fast,
Ow, you're biting me!
okay, now.
Stupid! Give me the freaking ball. Drop it. Good boy. Oh, he bit me. Yeah, he thought I was a ball.
Oh.
Get away, I don't want to play with you no more. That hurt. Stupid. He's all, I don't care.
Go backwards, Daddy. Go backwards and turn it like that. Okay.
He said, help me.